This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program MSc Mathematics, MSc Physics, first semester, and courses Discrete Mathematics. And session of today is pigeonhole principle. If the number of pigeon is nothing but it is some object, is more than the number of pigeonholes, that is boxes, then some pigeonhole box must be occupied by two or more than two pigeons. Statement is if the number of object is more than the number of boxes, then some boxes must be occupied by two or more than two pigeons. If A and B two finite sets such that number of element in A greater than the number of element in B, then any function f a to b can never be 1 1. In other words, there exists at least two element a1 a2 belonging to A such that fa1 is equal to fa2. सो बिल्कुल व्यवहारिक प्रॉब्लम है. सपोज कीजिए आपके पास कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं और कुछ बॉक्सेज हैं. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट की संख्या बॉक्सेज की संख्या से अधिक है तो 1 1 करस्पॉन्डेंस जब हम स्थापित करेंगे तो कोई ना कोई बॉक्स ऐसा अवश्य होगा जिसमें मोर देन वन ऑब्जेक्ट्स जिसको असाइन होंगे. This is the pigeonhole principle. In another word, this can be stated as the Dirkle-Droyer principle or shoebox argument. The pigeonhole principle can also be stated as follows. If n pigeonholes are occupied by n plus 1 or more pigeons, n pigeonholes are occupied by n plus 1 more pigeons. n pigeonhole हैं और n plus 1 pigeons हैं. then at least one pigeonhole is occupied by more than one pigeon. It is obvious कि एक से अधिक पिजन एक होल में अवश्य आएंगे. Let us assume that each pigeonhole contain at the most one pigeon. Therefore, the total number of pigeons assigned to m pigeonhole is at the most m. Since m less than n, therefore n minus m or more pigeons are left without having assigned a pigeonhole. जो n minus m जितनी भी नंबर्स बचेगी वो असाइंड होगा एक पिजन होल को. Hence, if all pigeons are to be assigned pigeon hole, then at least one pigeon hole contain two or more pigeons. जो रिमेनिंग है वो वन पिजन होल्स में ऑक्यूपाइड होगा. n पिजन होल्स आर ऑक्यूपाइड बाई n plus 1 और मोर पिजन्स, देन एट लीस्ट वन पिजन होल इज ऑक्यूपाइड बाई मोर देन वन पिजन. सो द पिजन होल प्रिंसिपल itself has a trivial application, but it also yields some non-trivial result. अब now it is in mathematical form. If n pigeons are assigned to m pigeonhole, pigeonhole must contain at least n minus 1 upon m. This bracket is the maximum integer function plus 1 pigeonholes, where this bracket in k denotes the largest integer not greater than k. Maximum integer function you can know about the maximum integer function. If any number, suppose 2.5 is in this bracket, then its maximum integer is equal to 2. So 2 plus 5, 2.5, 2 plus 9, 2.999 is in this bracket, then it gives the value only 2. It is because 2 is the maximum integer in such place. So proof of this principle, suppose if possible every pigeonhole contain at most n minus 1 upon m, मैक्सिमम इंटीजर फंक्शन पिजन्स। हमने ये मान सपोज कर लिया कि प्रत्येक पिजन होल n-1/m इन मैक्सिमम इंटीजर पिजन्स इनको अपने में कंटेन करता है। देन द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पिजन्स इन m पिजन होल इज utmost it is multiplied with m, so we have to multiply this by m. Here m is also integer, so m is cancel out, and n is integer and n-1 also integer, so in bracket maximum integer function n-1 is equal to n-1. But this is contradiction to the assumption that the number of pigeon is n. But in this case, if we solve this, number will be n-1. So this is contradiction. Thus our assumption is wrong, and therefore at least one pigeonhole must contain more than n-1 upon m pigeons. Hence some pigeonhole must contain at least, कंट्रडिक्शन आ गया। इसका मतलब ये है कि फिर उसमें वन मोर पिजन मस्ट बी देयर। इट मीन्स n-1 upon m plus 1 pigeon must be there. So this is the proof of this pigeonhole principle. The generalized pigeonhole principle can also be stated as follows. If m pigeonholes are occupied by km plus 1 or more pigeons, where k is the positive integer, then at least one pigeonhole must contain at least k plus 1 pigeons. Proof: the pigeon n is equal to km plus 1, that is n greater than km. Or now putting n is equal to km plus 1 in above theorem, so we have at least one pigeonhole contain at least n-1 upon m plus 1 pigeons according to above theorem. So putting the value of n in term of km plus 1, again solve it, and km plus 1 minus 1 become km, and m is cancel out, so this is k and plus 1, it means k plus 1. This is the final answer of this theorem. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.